Welcome to Research Skills for Engineering Students, Module 7, Part 1, Citing Your Information. In this section, you'll learn the whys, whens, and whats of citation. Citations and references indicate when words or ideas are not your own. Proper citation and reference gives credit and respect to the original authors, allows readers to locate the original sources, and strengthens the credibility of your report. If you don't cite your sources, it's plagiarism. Plagiarism is using another person's ideas without giving credit and is considered intellectual theft. Plagiarism comes in varying degrees and can be intentional or unintentional. There are serious consequences if you are caught plagiarizing as a student at UBC. There are academic integrity and misconduct policies for both UBC Engineering and UBC. More information can be found at Academic Integrity and Plagiarism from UBC Library. Past your time at UBC, evidence of plagiarism can affect your integrity and credibility as a professional engineer. Whenever you use someone else's words or ideas, you must indicate that the information is not your own by properly citing and giving credit to your sources. This applies to any type of resource, written or otherwise, including books, articles, websites, images, personal communications, etc. You don't need to cite your own experiences, observations, results, ideas, or conclusions. You also don't need to cite information that is considered common knowledge. Common knowledge is information that is generally known by many people. If you're uncertain if something is common knowledge, ask your instructor or a librarian. That concludes Module 7, Part 1. In the next video, you'll learn how to cite and use citation styles.